Welcome to the HP Solution Showcase for Converged Infrastructure, your source to experience HP Converged Infrastructure technologies in action. This introductory video provides an overview of the various HP Converged Infrastructure demos that are part of the Solution Showcase series. Due to years of all major infrastructure technologies having built their own rigid silos, most IT organizations have reached a point where this inflexibility and high operations cost are bringing business performance to its breaking point. The result is an industry that is at an inflection point, whereby these technologies are coming back together and doing so in the most optimal way. This demo series is designed to showcase the integration of these various technologies and how this will help you to overcome the confines of IT sprawl. You will see how each demo highlights a blueprint for the data center of the future that delivers a whole new level of simplicity, integration, and automation that can accelerate business outcomes that matter most. During this introductory video, we'll outline the main themes that support infrastructure convergence and provide a list of available demos that show how multiple components of the HP Converged Infrastructure portfolio are integrated by design to deliver very real benefits. The data center of the future is based on a consolidated, virtualized, and shared infrastructure where services are offered on demand with tiered service levels and supported by service-centric integrated IT processes. In essence, each layer of the IT environment is offered as a service, beginning with infrastructure services. Therefore, our demo series takes a lifecycle management approach to converged infrastructure services segmented in four major categories: design and provision, share and optimize, automate and scale, control and protect. Let's review these stages in more detail. In the design and provision portion of the life cycle, you will experience how you can create converged infrastructure services in a virtualized environment that includes Microsoft, VMware, or Citrix virtualization technologies. Scenarios in this category will show you how you can rapidly create a service template and publish it to the service catalog. As a result, a line of business user will be able to browse the service catalog and order an instance of that service. Multiple ISV applications and platform architectures are featured in the demo scenarios to highlight the ability for a converged infrastructure to support heterogeneous environments. In essence, with the combination of a common modular infrastructure and a common management platform, you will experience how you can accelerate the creation of a catalog of infrastructure services based on industry standards and best practices. During the automate and scale portion of the life cycle, we focus on scenarios that highlight the ability for converged infrastructure resources to scale and flex to meet fluctuating levels of business demand. Fundamentally, this is all about IT efficiency combined with the flexibility to respond to business changes. In these scenarios, with the combination of a common modular infrastructure and a common management platform, you will experience how you can automate the deployment of infrastructure services based on quality of service characteristics across various application environments that include Oracle RAC databases or WebLogic web front ends. When offering infrastructure as a service, the ability to automatically scale infrastructure resources is a critical success factor. This allows you to maintain infrastructure availability and performance and leverage real-time data to better match supply and demand. The ability to share and optimize infrastructure services is a very important portion of the life cycle. In these scenarios, you will experience how system administrators can accelerate their move toward a shared pool of resources. You will witness how a shared services model is backed by automated enterprise IT processes that do not require manual intervention, and how virtualized resources, based on standards, can be optimized for all types of enterprise, cloud, and high-performance computing applications. Continuous optimization of infrastructure resources represents an important step to maximize the benefits associated with a converged infrastructure on an ongoing basis. And finally, we've included a few scenarios that highlight the HP Converged infrastructure portfolio at work when critical infrastructure services must be controlled and protected to better manage risk. In these demonstrations, you will see how you can protect vulnerable infrastructure components on your network, or control network access to infrastructure services, or even control power requirements across the board, from servers to data centers. You will also see how various components of the converged infrastructure architecture have been integrated by design to deliver tangible benefits compared to other more traditional approaches, and represent the blueprint to deliver the data center of the future. For example, let's say you want to take advantage of automation to increase productivity and continuously optimize resources in a uniform way across IT domains. With the HP Matrix operating environment, you can establish a common management platform that extends from infrastructure to application across servers, storage, and networks, with the ability to manage both HP and non-HP technologies. With these solutions, your time to delivery of technology services can decrease from months to hours. At the same time, a common virtualized network fabric connects servers to switches to storage, while simplifying and increasing flexibility from the data center to the network edge. Unlike other approaches, by using HP Flex Fabric, you can avoid the latency and contention issues caused by traditional switching in the data center, and instead integrate servers with a seamless virtual network fabric. The result is that you can easily make changes to connectivity and bandwidth allocation online. Additionally, with HP Virtual Resource Pools, you can build a common modular infrastructure across the data center. This means that you can use the same architecture to run and manage multiple workloads across servers, storage, and networking. This significantly reduces complexity, resource requirements, and costs. And finally, the HP Data Center Smart Grid provides an integrated approach to reduce and control energy usage in real time to improve efficiency under any workload, while lowering costs and extending the capacity of existing facilities. HP innovations in this area help to monitor energy consumption and automatically adjust cooling resources and reduce energy consumption by effectively reclaiming data center capacity. And for those organizations interested in private cloud, the Solution Showcase series brings together the core elements of the converged infrastructure portfolio that characterize key attributes commonly associated with private cloud environments. The complete Solution Showcase series is designed to demonstrate the various components of the converged infrastructure portfolio and to see them in action. Specifically, you will see how core HP technologies enable a service-oriented approach to the procurement of IT resources and empower you to design, provision, share, optimize, automate, scale, control, and protect infrastructure services throughout their lifecycle. Built on leading innovation, industry standards, and choice, a converged infrastructure delivers a whole new level of simplicity, integration, and automation to accelerate outcomes that matter. Faster time to revenue with accelerated provisioning of infrastructure services. Lower costs of acquisition and implementation with highly automated and repeatable processes to deploy infrastructure services. Flexibly respond to business changes by scaling your IT infrastructure to meet changing business requirements, and lower risks by protecting your environment with built-in resiliency and by having more visibility and control over your IT environment. Welcome to the HP Solution Showcase for Converged Infrastructure. We invite you to experience for yourself how you can easily manage the entire life cycle of HP Converged Infrastructure services. It's the data center of the future in action to unleash the potential of your infrastructure, and only available through the HP Converged Infrastructure.